Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to repost on TikTok. So to do this, we first need to open up TikTok. Then we need to select the video we want to repost, like I'm going to choose this video. And to repost, what we need to do is select the forward to button that is found on the bottom right corner. Tap on that. And this will open up a small menu. And on the left side, you'll see a yellow button that says repost. Just tap on that to repost. So now you reposted this content. To check out your repost, go to your profile button on the bottom right corner, tap on the icon. Then on your profile page, in the middle, you'll see an icon of arrows. Tap on that. And this is where your reposts are found. And you can tap on your repost to see that you have reposted it. You'll see on the left side a message saying you reposted this. Then you'll see a small pencil icon. If you tap on the pencil icon, you can say something on your repost. And if you tap on the you reposted text, you have some options here. And if you tap on the reposted button, an option will come up that will allow you to delete your repost. So if you tap on delete repost, your repost can be deleted. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.